Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beat.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. We got an in-hand review. But we're gonna have our own feet tomorrow, by the way. Talk about that in this video, but we got an in-hand review of these Adidas Yeezy slides, Flax. They came out yesterday. Comment down below, man, let me know you want to pair off a Champs, Foot Locker, you know what I'm saying, you want off a Adidas Confirm, man, let your boy know down below. So, I don't have my personal size in right now. My personal size is coming in tomorrow. I won that size from, I believe it was Champs. So I hit on Champs, Kids Foot Locker, and Foot Locker, all on shipped to me. I won 2 size 7s and a 12. So I'm gonna keep the 12 for personal, of course, but the size 12 tomorrow, like I said, will be on feet. But this video, it's gonna be more like an in-hand review, you know what I'm saying, of the box, you know what I'm saying, the shoe, the color, the material, all that good stuff on this video. But like I said, tomorrow more in depth, like I said, be on feet, all that good stuff. So make sure your post notification bell is on. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you also follow all platforms down below, my TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff down below. But not further ado, man, let's go and get to the video. We got an in-hand review of the Adidas Yeezy slide, Flax. So like I said, tomorrow, like I said, we got our own feet. Got my personal size coming in tomorrow from Champs. So hey, can't wait for that. And I ain't gonna lie, this brown and the ochre. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all from the ochre to the Flax, you know what I'm saying? So they got different names though, but I like the, like, you know what I'm saying, fall's coming up. No, I'm from Cincinnati, so it get cold, but don't get super cold. So I kind of wear it a little bit. But when it get the winter time, and I got to throw the slides away because it starts snowing and some more stuff get cold. If you get cold, I can't do all that. But right now, I could throw them on. Like with the shirt I got on right now, I could easily throw it on with this shirt because the browns are 2 different browns from the ochre and the Flax. So I'm gonna show y'all in this video. But like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all want this. Let me know down in the comments down below. You know what I'm saying? If you want from Champs, Foot Locker, Kids Foot Locker, Adidas Confirm, let your know boy down below. But let's go ahead and enough talking, man. Let's go get that shoe out, man. Here they go, here they go. So shout out to my boy, man, for sure, because all my sizes is literally coming in. So I don't have nothing in hand right now. I try to check like corporate nearby. These pairs ain't come in. They say their pairs coming in late, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait till my pairs come in. One pair come in Wednesday, another pair come Thursday, another pair come Friday. So boom, 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 boom. But my size 12 is coming tomorrow. So like I said, I got our own feet coming tomorrow. Literally tomorrow. So be ready. It might be a late upload, by the way, too, though. So be on standby for sure, man. But here go the Adidas slides right here. This is personal size, by the way. So he says he's gonna keep them. I told him you better keep these things, bro. Here go, let's say slide. Like I said, all Yeezys, it will say slide. It will say 350s, 500s, 450s. So we'll have it right here on the box right here. Say slide, Yeezy slide, made by Adidas. So he got these from Hibbett. You want to rough off a Hibbett? I should have did Hibbett. I don't know why I didn't do Hibbett, but he got a size 9, and it says Yeezy slide size 9, Flax, Flax, Flax. And retail price on these was $70, so the taxes was $75. But they shipped to me, so they charged me $84 for shipped to me online from Champs, Kids Foot Locker, and Foot Locker. So not bad. He got them a little $10 little cheap price little deal, so it's all good. But let's get these bad boys out, man. Hey, here they go, man. Adidas Yeezy slide Flex, man.
I'm with the squad, always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoop. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang,
I ain't gonna lie, I love this brown, man. I do love this brown right here. Like this dark brown right here is like an actual dark brown. It's like no light brown. On the camera, I turn my light down a little before I start the video because y'all can get a clear view of this brown. So y'all can tell like it's like literally like a dark brown, no light brown. These, I ain't gonna lie, these joints super clean. I like these a lot. Let me get that to slide out. The Yeezy, say Yeezy slide, size 9 right there. Yeezy slide Flax right here, man. So he got a size 9, they look super small in my hand, but like I said, tomorrow I got a size 12 coming in. So it will be a late upload, you know what I'm saying? Because I know my shipment box won't. It depends, though. If it comes early before I go to work, I could do the on feet review. But if it don't, I'm going to be a late upload tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. Well, I'll notify, let y'all know, of course, so. But, man, these clean, bro. I like these a lot. I mean, you can kind of get away with this brown a little bit if you wear it with like a shirt like this a little bit. You got to be brown on brown for real. I know a lot of people like to be brown on brown, but you can get away with it, you know what I'm saying? So he's clean, bro. I got a Yeezy Gap hoodie I have for a while. I think this brown might match it, but I think it goes more on my ochre a little bit better. So, but actually, before I start looking, saying that with these slides, let's get the comparison from the flex and ochre. Give me 1 second. All right, so look, so y'all can tell the difference on which what. So this like more of a lighter. This like more like my skin color. You know what I'm saying? It's like my. So y'all can tell the difference between like which one is what. It's more of a darker brown right here. Y'all can tell it's like a darker brown. It's more of like a light brown. You know what I'm saying? Like brown skin color, and you got the dark skin color right here. So, you know what I'm saying? You go vice versa on which one you want to do. I really wear this pair a lot. So I got these come in. I don't know, I like more dark tone, like more like the darker colors. Like I don't have the black yet, but I have both of these now. So I don't really like the bone, I don't really like the pure, because they get dirty real easy. But colors like this, they won't get dirty as quickly as much as the other light tone was. I like darker tone slides. You know what I'm saying? And these Yeezy slides are super, super comfortable. And by the way, these are super cheap right now on GOAT, StockX. You know what I'm saying? They are super, super cheap, by the way. So if y'all looking to get this slide right here, go ahead, grab it now. How this look? My size, after the tax would be like 120, 130. Not super bad. People might say oversized price slides, woo-woo-woo, but hey, if you want that good quality, good material, you know what I'm saying, last longer, go ahead and get what you want, get what you get, you know what I'm saying? So, but here go, like I said, here go the difference on this, the ochre, and then in the flex. Like I said, tomorrow will be more in depth, you know what I'm saying, I like this stuff, but let's go talk about the flex joints right here. So, not too crazy, too in depth with the Adidas Yeezy slides. No, the whole slide's made of boost. So it's no foam material, anything like that. The whole slide is made of boost. Now, on the bottom of the slides got like, I wouldn't say spikes and nothing like that, but give you a little height boost a little bit, you know what I'm saying, in case any short people out there, just give you a little height boost for sure, you know what I'm saying. So, and on the inside of the other Yeezy slide right here, it got a Yeezy slide, and also has a sticker on that side as well. So Adidas Yeezy slide is really nothing too depth, like I said, but the whole slide is boost material, so that's why you feel like this material right here, it's all soft. Not foam material, it's made of boost. You know what I'm saying? So I was running the Yeezy slides. I always tell people go a whole size up from the size that you wear. So normally, like I said, I wear 11, 11 and a half, but size 12 fits me perfectly fine. Kind of find out is they changed the material on these Adidas Yeezy slides. If y'all noticed that. So around this area right here, it used to be thicker, but now it's more thin. If y'all haven't noticed, when y'all put the old 2021 pairs, like those right around this area right here, used to be super thick. Now you can tell it's super thin. I don't have no other pairs from 2021. I have 2022 pairs now. But I noticed that when I did try on Yeezy slides before, like this part right here used to be super thick. I was like, man, I used to wear like thin socks. Like Adidas socks are super thin. Like say if you want to wear like some different socks, like Nike socks or something like that. Maybe sometimes you don't got Adidas socks at the moment, but you buy some Nike socks. This part right here used to be super thick. You couldn't even put your foot all the way in. Your foot hang out this way. I'm like, bro, what's going on? So that's it for this video, man. I appreciate y'all showing a little support as always, man. Like and subscribe if you're new, of course. Also, make sure you follow our platforms down below. My Instagram, my TikTok, my Twitter, all that good stuff down below. I would really appreciate that as well, man. Y'all have a blessed one. I catch y'all tomorrow on my own feed video of Adidas Yeezy slide flex. Can't wait to get these joints in. So, man, Gerald is out. Peace.